User interface of Copilot.
In this video, we introduced the user interface of Copilot. Copilot is accessed from the TurboCAD Explorer tabbed interface. It's the last tab to the right of Entities, Layers, Symbols, and finally Copilot. Copilot provides access to information that may be of mixed content. This includes text, images, and videos. Information may be coming from our tool help. Pressing on any tool will display the associated help in the Copilot window. It could be info links. For example, selecting the drop-down provides us access to information such as what's new, what's getting started, frequently asked questions, and it could also provide access to our online user guide. And then lastly, Copilot provides an interface to ask questions and get answers from our AI assistant. All right, the Copilot user interface consists of two drop-down menus in the upper right-hand corner. The first drop-down provides access to existing content, especially useful to new users, such as what's new, getting started, and frequently asked questions. The second drop-down provides access to curated questions for the AI version of Copilot. Questions are categorized into help. This is talking with our user guides and our other documentation related to the product. The next set is related to talking to the CAD data, the file that's loaded. You can ask it mathematical and other properties associated with your CAD data, and you will find some example questions to how to do that. And then the third category is the general knowledge base, where here you talk to an AI independent of our application. And then lastly, the ability to convert text to images, which is useful for support of our photo rendering textures and backgrounds. At the bottom of Copilot, you'll find some additional controls that include a back button. This will just retrieve the last AI response that you got. Save, which is very useful for taking whatever is in the Copilot window and it saves it out to an HTML file. This is great for if you have some interesting content that you've created from your CAD data and you want to bring it into Word to further spice it up. Clear, it cleans out whatever's in the response window. And then last, apply. This will take the question that you have entered and send it off to the AI where you can get a response. Lastly, if you have any further questions about Copilot, click on the Copilot Frequently Asked Question link. And this will tell you all about Copilot and provide more details on how to use it.
Thanks for watching.